Hello, viewers. Welcome to your channel Pharmacypedia. This is Dr. Shikha Chauhan, and in this session, we are going to discuss about very important questions from the subject Novel Drug Delivery System (NDDS) for B.Pharm 7th semester. So, if you have still not subscribed to my channel Pharmacypedia, please do like, share, and subscribe to Pharmacypedia for getting important updates for the pharmacy contents. So I'm going to start from the unit 1. My dear students, I'm sure if you're going to prepare for these questions, you're going to score good marks. So the very first question is define controlled drug delivery system. What are the advantages and disadvantages of controlled drug delivery systems? Discuss the various approaches to design controlled release formulations based on diffusion. Discuss the various approaches to design controlled release formulation based on dissolution. What are the applications of polymers in formulation of controlled release drug systems? Explain the classifications of polymers. Discuss the physicochemical and biological properties of drugs relevant to controlled release formulations. Discuss the approaches to design controlled release formulations based on ion exchange principles. Now let us start from the module 2. Define microencapsulation. Discuss the methods of microencapsulations. What are the advantages and disadvantages of microencapsulation? Explain the principles of bioadhesion. What do you understand by transmucosal permeability? Discuss the formulation considerations of buccal drug delivery systems. What do you understand by osmotic pumps? Discuss the concepts of implants and list the advantages and disadvantages of implantable drug delivery systems. What do you understand by permeation enhancers? This is from module 3. Discuss the various components of transdermal drug delivery systems. What are the formulation approaches of transdermal drug delivery systems? Explain the applications of gastroretentive drug delivery systems. And list the advantages and disadvantages of gastroretentive drug delivery systems. Write a short note on inhalers, nebulizers, liposomes, neosomes, nanoparticles, and monoclonal antibodies. What do you understand by ocucerts? Explain the different methods to overcome intraocular barriers. What do you understand by the ocular drug delivery systems? Briefly discuss the development of intrauterine devices, IUDs. Explain the advantages and disadvantages of intrauterine drug delivery systems. Discuss the applications of intrauterine drug delivery systems. Now, I am going to share few important questions which have been frequently asked in the examinations conducted in different universities. So, what are the controlled drug delivery systems? Give limitations over their conventional formulation. Give various parameters of evaluation of controlled drug delivery systems. Discuss the principles of formulation of oral controlled drug delivery systems. Discuss the various parameters of transdermal drug delivery systems. What is iontophoresis? Discuss its role in drug delivery. Discuss osmotic pump as a drug delivery system. Define prodrugs. Give various approaches for its development. Classify various carriers for drug development on the basis of physical nature. And list various methods of microencapsulation. Discuss emulsion methods. Write any two methods of preparation and drug loading for liposomes, nanoparticles, resealed erythrocytes. Give the various level of drug targeting. Explain with suitable examples. Write a short note on nasal drug delivery system, ocular drug delivery system, colonic drug delivery system. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Pharmacypedia for getting further updates and important content related to pharmacy. Thank you so much everyone.